Want to give everyone that you're leaving behind in the dust something great to look at? Check this roof spoiler out from SPOILERKINGS. We stopped by SPOILERKINGS to check out what they offer. They make roof spoilers and trunk lid spoilers. The owner was nice enough to give us a tour of his spot, and he showed us a couple of designs that he have for his roof spoilers and trunk lid spoilers. And these are some of the designs that you could just check out right here. The material is of a rubber-based material. I'm not exactly sure what it is, and is held down by a 3M tape, double-sided on the back. The roof and trunk spoilers are held on by a 3M tape that was taken to the 3M lab itself and made sure that it doesn't fall off your car. The prices range from $99 to $150 depending on the size and style that you want. The one I chose was $150 because it was the bigger version and it was also custom designed. This is how my car looks currently without the roof spoiler, and I wanted something that matches the wicker bell that I have already installed on my car from ZL1 add-ons, which is made out of carbon fiber. I have a separate video coming up for that later on. So this is a mock-up of the design that we had, just to see how it'll look on my car. I made a mistake and prepped the car with the Adams Polishes detail spray, and that wasn't a great idea. The owner told us that it's best to use rubbing alcohol because rubbing alcohol helps close the pores from the glass, so it can give it that superior stick-on that it needs. So this is how the roof spoiler is going to look on my car. And don't mind it being dirty, this is just after he made it. I had him design a lip in the center to match my wicker bill. After he cleaned the area, he put it on from one side only, and he was removing the 3M tape to reveal it so it could stick onto the glass itself and make sure that it was perfectly aligned to my car. Now this is how the finished product came out. Check it out, with the centerpiece that I told you about earlier, and it was flush. I tried to move it around with extreme force to make sure that it doesn't fall off or move, and it did not go anywhere. These are a couple of shots of how it came out the next day. It was perfect, didn't move anywhere, the tape didn't fall off, and the glue was perfect. I tried to shake it again, and the whole car shook, but the spoiler itself didn't go nowhere. If you were wondering, this doesn't block any of the rear brake light on the top, not at all. This is the area that I was talking about with the center inlay that we had custom designed to make it fit and match my spoiler that I have on my car already, the wicker bill I mean, and like you can see here, it was perfect. It's a beautiful design. And also, in case you was wondering, it doesn't block any visibility from the inside either. Check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and like always, don't be regular, be iconic. And if you liked what you saw today, check their Instagram out at SPOILERKING, or you could go on their website, www.spoilerking.net, and just leave a shout out for me. Tell them you heard about it from me. Thank you so much. On to the next one.